Welcome to the second part of our special accessibility episode on Debriefing Design. In part 1, we reviewed some of the basic fundamentals of accessibility design that we used while coming up with a space plan for our disabled veteran clients for their master bath retreat. In part 2, we will review the custom elements we incorporated into the design of our spa oasis and how we gain as much storage as possible while freeing up clear floor space for a wheelchair. We will also share a couple of tricks we used to value engineer this project and look back at some important lessons we learned. This is Operation Accessibly Modern, Part 2. After we finished the initial design for the master bath, we solicited construction bids for our wishlist design. The bids came in quite a bit over our client's budget, so as a part of the value engineering process, we came up with options to reduce the overall project budget without sacrificing the design. The originally designed wood ceiling over the shower and bathtub area was actually meant to utilize the same wood-look porcelain tiles as the floor to help with the humidity. However, the structural framing necessary to support the weight of the tile in addition to the cost of the tile did not make sense for a feature that was only visible to the eyes. For our value engineered version, we sourced a luxury vinyl plank material that complemented the porcelain tile, which reduced the framing labor as well as tile quantity. We were able to save quite a bit of money in terms of lighting. The original lighting plan called for LED tape lighting on all four edges of our feature wood ceiling to create an ambiance effect, along with motion-sensored LED tape lights under the full length of our floating vanity. Having this much tape light required the use of a high-wattage driver, along with the cost of the tape light. For our value engineered version, we eliminated the fourth edge of our wood ceiling as the lighting in the other three sides played a dual purpose by creating a halo effect along with downlighting the wall tile. We also eliminated the LED tape light under the vanity and replaced it with two rechargeable LED light sticks that didn't require any electrical labor. One area we chose to splurge on was the custom cabinetry, as it served as the majority of storage for our clients. Not only did we make the floating vanity extra deep, we also completely customized the types of storage for the two sides based on the husband and wife's belongings. We gave the husband two tall drawers, while the wife received a powered hairstyling station, along with a swing-out shelf to accommodate the limited opening due to the freestanding bathtub. To help hide rechargeable toothbrushes and razors, we created a tall, multi-purpose storage tower dividing the two sink areas and incorporated an appliance garage at the counter surface, adjustable shelves behind closed doors for linens, and a pair of glass doors above for display purposes. We were able to shave a bit off the millwork quote by slightly modifying the cabinet design from a fully curved top to an arch top. In terms of gaining storage, we sourced oval mirrors that doubled as medicine cabinets. On the existing linen cabinet, we gave our clients an ease of access and ability to see everything by eliminating the return walls, which were originally causing major blind spots. This project was a success in every way as we helped recreate the spa oasis experience that our clients sought out from their travels around the world. In addition, we helped future-proof the bathroom by making sure the design would be able to accommodate accessibility modifications in the future. However, there were a couple of important lessons learned from our design decisions, the first of which has become one of our standard design tips. We specified wall-mounted faucets throughout the bathroom to provide an ease of cleaning horizontal surfaces and also to eliminate obstacles on the floor. As a result, we learned that in order to service any of the wall-mounted fixtures, the water to the house would need to be shut off, as the main difference between wall-mounted and countertop or deck-mounted faucets are the use of valves. Wall-mounted faucets connect directly to the water supply lines in the wall, so there isn't a localized shutoff. Our second lesson was underestimating the weight load of parts of the custom cabinetry. In the swing-out shelf next to the bathtub, the bottles our client had been storing became too heavy and started dragging down the cabinet door and caused scratches on the inside of the cabinet. In future designs, we started incorporating a small wheel to prevent the cabinet from getting scratched and also to level out the shelf. We hope you've enjoyed the transformation of this 90s builder's bathroom into a magnificent master retreat incorporating universal design guidelines. Our goal for this project was to shine some light regarding physical disabilities so that it can become a part of one's social vocabulary. Please leave a comment below if you have any questions or feedback about this project. Thank you for joining us this week on Debriefing Design. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications for future episodes. Operation Accessibly Modern, Part 2, Case Closed.